Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 31st July 2024. Sajjan Jindal-led JSW Cement has begun evaluating acquisition of the promoter stake in Orient Cement Ltd or OCL from CK Birla, amid a consolidation wave in the sector that's seen the Aditya Birla and Adani groups race to pick up assets across the country. The development sees the entry of a third contender for OCL's 8.5 million tons per annum capacity after the Adani and Aditya Birla groups, both of which have been in active discussion with Delhi-based CK Birla at various points since last year when JP Morgan kicked off the sale process. India could soon see a slew of 5G smartphones priced well under Rs 10,000, with chipset maker Qualcomm rolling out an entry-tier 5G chipset in a bid to increase 5G adoption in emerging markets like India. Qualcomm's chipset, locked to 5G standalone architecture, will be hitting the markets by the end of 2024, debuting on Xiaomi's device. Air India Group is consolidating its cargo operations and may eventually carve out a separate entity with dedicated freighters. The restructuring exercise will allow the Tata-owned carrier to sharpen focus on the expanding air cargo market backed by a growing economy and rising trade activity. By the end of this year, Vistara is expected to be absorbed by Air India, while Air Asia will merge with Air India Express. Global brands like Marks & Spencer, Next, Decathlon, Primark, Gap, Walmart, PepsiCo and Tesco are planning to ramp up sourcing from India. The customs duty changes in the union budget are likely to give a major fillip to Tirupur, a textile production hub in Tamil Nadu. Tirupur is already facing a wave of orders with some global brands diverting purchases from Bangladesh, with production getting impacted there due to social unrest. Avenue Supermart or D-Mart, India's largest listed retailer by sales and market capitalization, announced that it will focus on discounting and lower pricing to drive growth. The owner of D-Mart supermarkets emphasized that it will prioritize opening more stores instead of launching an ultra-fast delivery model, despite the rising popularity of quick commerce rivals. This approach is aimed at covering catchments and clusters where quick commerce companies are currently experiencing high demand. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.